Gusto mo bang matupad yung deepest desires ng puso mo? The Bible gives us a crazy promise. Sabi, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Pero teka, mas malalim pa to sa granting your wish lang. Sabi sa Psalms 37:4, delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Yung word na delight sa Hebrew ay anag. Ibig sabihin yan, to be soft, to be pliable, to be moldable, to be tender towards God. Ibig sabihin, as you enjoy God, your heart becomes soft and He shapes your desires. He doesn't just grant your desires, He forms them. He plants the dreams, He writes the vision, He aligns your heart with His best. Kaya bigla kang magkakaroon ng God kind of dreams, God-given business ideas, God-given goals, God-given relationships, God-given purpose, God-given desires na hindi fake, hindi forced, at hindi mababaw. At dahil galing kay Lord yung desires, siya rin ang magtatapos nun. He gives the desire, He gives the power, He opens the doors, He brings the fulfillment. So today, huwag kang ma-pressure na makamit yung desires mo. Just delight in God. Enjoy Jesus. Let Him shape your heart and watch Him fulfill the desires He planted for you. Declare this, my friend, as I delight in the Lord, He shapes and fulfills my desires. Comment mo dyan, Lord, shape my desires. Like, subscribe, and share para mas maraming tao ang ma-inspire to dream with God, not apart from Him. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.